Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Leann, for those of you who are new here, and for those of you who aren't new, welcome back. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be doing another pixie cut hair tutorial. In my last video I showed you guys how I styled my hair for the holiday season, and I did everything molded coming forward. So now I'm just gonna do like a simple full hawk pixie for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I mold it. I'm going to mold it the same way, but then I'm going to flip it up in a full hawk pixie to go backward off of my face. So I just came from washing my hair. I used my ORS creamy eyelash shampoo and a conditioner that goes along with it. If you haven't seen my previous video, I specified all the different products, shampoos and conditioners and leave-ins and other little products like my foam wrapping lotion and everything in that video. So I'm going to leave it up above for you guys to go check out if you haven't seen that video, because I show you guys everything that I use in my hair. So go and check that video out if you have not already. So getting right into this video, I'm going to be molding my hair now, and I'm going to be doing basically like the same mold that I did in my last video. Yeah, it's nothing different with the mold. It's just that I'm going to be just flipping, when I curl in, I'm going to just flip it up instead of, I'm going to be flipping it up instead of coming forward. And I was thinking on doing like my bang, but then I was like, I have the cut hair on the side, so I don't know how it's going to come out if I put everything like on this side. I don't know how it's going to come out, because how she cut my hair this time is like she cut it all like textured going forward, so I can't really do my bang style. Probably I could, but it wouldn't be like a lot of bang, and then I will have a part on this side. Should I try that? I'm thinking, should I do the bang or should I not do the bang? So it's not gonna have a part, it's just gonna be swooped to the side. So that'll be the mold for if I do the bang. Should I do the bang? You should take out right on the wide side, because I don't know how we're gonna come out, but it should come out regular. I can mold it with the bang, and then like, even though it ain't working out, I can mold it like this, and then like, depending on how I see, because I know when it dry it's gonna be more fluffy than this, but it's gonna be short here because this is where it like kind of cut short. So I still might have this, my cut right here, and then the bang gonna be like up here. I should do it now. I think I should do it. Might be pretty. I think I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna mold my hair like this. So change our plan. We need a full half pixie again. We're gonna do the bang to the side and see how it comes out. I don't know how it's gonna come out because I never did it like this with the cuts in my hair, but I'm gonna mold it like this. I still gonna mold it forward, just like if I were gonna mold it if I were doing a full hawk, but instead of bringing this side this way and this side that way, I'm gonna just bring everything this way because we're gonna have a bang. So we bring the bang over like this, and then just swoop the rest gonna be like, I doing like a swoop in like this way. Okay, so let's get this Nairobi on my head and under the dryer. Okay, so for my mold I'm gonna be using my Nairobi Rapid Sheen Foaming Lotion. Of course you guys already know, like one day I tell now, me gosh, I ain't went Target yet, so I ain't pick up no other foaming lotion right now. So that's why I'm still using it. But I telling you, when I go Target or Walmart, I'm gonna buy the other foaming lotion. Okay, so I'm gonna just mold everything down the direction that I comb it. And yeah, then we're gonna go on the dryer, and I dry my hair for about 45 minutes. So for those of you who don't know, so, and that's a big key to having your mold come out and your hair come out looking good, guys. Make sure it's completely dry. The top, like, say this piece don't have to be completely dry, but make sure the back and the sides are completely dry. So that should be enough product. I like to overdo stuff, you know. I don't overdo it. So I can mold this to the side. Okay, so this is a crazy mold that I just do. It's really crazy, just that how my hair cut, I have to go the direction it cut in order for it to, like, you know, come out looking successful. So yeah, this is the mold. I don't do no ways like to the back. I'm gonna just leave it flat. So I do waves like from here back, and I'm gonna just keep the rest of it flat. And the last time I curled my waves to the side, I just don't. It look pretty when you curl it to the curl your waves, like curl these, but to me it don't last as long because it just curl, and like sometimes the curl will get so flat. So that's why I don't really like to curl it. Cause the last time, like after I sleep, that was it. Like after I sleep, I wake up, I refresh it the next day. Like a couple days later, it would just, that was it. It would gone. Cause I don't know, I just don't like. I like to leave it like this. I'll leave it like this. I'll rake it up a little bit, but I don't like to curl it because it don't last as long to me. So I like to leave it get soft on its own as the days pass by. So yeah, that's my mold. Just gotta make sure everything flat. Okay, so here's this side, the front, where we're gonna have our bang, and then this side we have some waves. This is the back. Hopefully looking good. I just make everything flat. So now I am going to dry my hair. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes and let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna start to style. So hold on one second, let me go get my wrap cap so I could put it on, and then I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer. So I like to put it in the middle like this, and I'm not gonna do it too tight because I don't want to crush like my waves. And then let's try and edge it down in the back, slide it down because it's gonna stretch. And full of makeup, I need to put it to wash. Yeah, so gonna go under the dryer for 5 minutes like I said before, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna start styling. So un momento. Okay guys, so I'm back from out under the dryer. I stayed the whole 45 minutes, and now I'm just gonna rake up my mold, and then I'm just gonna start curling. Before I actually go and rake it up, I'm just gonna take some of my coconut oil and add it to my hair so I could comb it through. And I'm nearly finished, so I have to take the end of the comb, about this much. It's gonna melt in my hands. And I'm just gonna rub it in my hands, warm it up a little bit, and just rub it through my hair. Like I used to put a little bit at first, but then I was like, sometimes I used to get a little frizz, and then I noticed like when I start putting a little bit more oil, like the frizz wouldn't be there. So I just put a good amount in my hand now. But you don't have to use coconut. You could use any kind of like oil that you like. I just like using coconut oil. So I'm gonna rake up the back. Every place I want to curl. I don't think I'm gonna curl my I'm gonna leave these there. Like right there, I'm gonna curl. And in the back. But I'm gonna leave these. I'm gonna curl these there because I want this style to last for the week. Okay, so I apologize if the camera was jumping in and out. I had on the autofocus thing, and I didn't realize that I had leave it on. So yeah, just rake up my mold, and I I just went for my pins. These are the pins I'm gonna be using to like section off my hair for when I'm ready to curl. And I always like to start with the back and make my way to the front. And I'm just gonna be curling. So I'm just gonna pin up this piece, like about this much, back here. And I'm gonna be using my 1-inch flat iron, guys. Like I told you guys before in the other video, I want to try and get like a smaller, probably a 1/2 inch or so flat iron this upcoming year. And I was thinking about going with the red by Kiss, because I have a red by Kiss hooded dryer and that's been with me for a couple of years. But this flat iron that I'm using now is by Conair, and it's the titanium, what's it called, Infinity Pro. It's an Infinity Pro with the titanium plates, and I had it for about, I would say 2.5 years since I cut my hair. So I'm just gonna be picking up in my hand pieces that small enough for me to pick up and bump. Not really a curl, but like a bump. And I try to curl as much or bump as much as I could in the back of my hair. That way, like when I comb it out, it have like a little wave action going on. I'm gonna do my makeup, bring back my edge control so I could fix my edges, and I'll be right back, so stay tuned, guys. My hair done curl, been curled for about an hour now. Just gonna go in and curl any wispies that I see sticking up. Okay, so I just have my kaleidoscope edge control I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna stick down like right here of my hair. I ain't gonna use too much, just to leave it lay down, let it lay down. That should be good. And then I just gonna take some of my fingertips and do the back of my hair, because I don't know, like, I don't think it's sticking up yet, because it's still, no, it ain't really sticking up. But I just like to take some and do the back of my hair, like put some back there. So I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb and just fluff up the curls. Okay, so I don't really like how we're looking with the curls, so I can just comb it out. I don't keep the curls over here, but the bang, my hair too short to like have it curl, so I can just comb it out. So I just gonna be playing with it now, like to get how I want it. Wherever I see needs some fluffing, I'll just go back in and bump. And this style is gonna absolutely last longer for me than having like the faux hawk. This is gonna last like about 2 weeks, because all I'm gonna do is pin curl it at night. Yeah, but I love how the curls is over here. Like, I love that I keep the curls over here. Okay, so I'm gonna just put my earrings. And that's the look. Alright you guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and I hope it was easy for you guys to follow along. Don't forget to subscribe guys if you have not already done so. Click the subscribe button and click that little bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I do an upload. So happy New Year's guys. I hope you guys have a prosperous 2019 and I can't wait to share with you guys more short hair, pixie cut type kind of videos this upcoming year. You guys just stay blessed out there, be safe, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Take care, bye bye.